Buongiorno, good morning.
Anche noi. Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Where are we?
Shibuya.
No.
We are in the Misurina Lake.
Misurina?
Misurina Lake.
Misurina Lake. It's a lake between the mountains, how you can see around, over here, all around. That way, behind this hotel, there are 3 mountains called...
Tre cime di Lavaredo.
The 3 cime di Lavaredo.
Patrimonio dell'UNESCO.
Come si dice patrimonio? How you say patrimonio?
Heritage.
Hai ragione. There are like these 3 mountains over here on my left side, and it's like a heritage for UNESCO, so that's why it's really popular. We are really close to Cortina. I think all of you know this place, so this is it. After a long way through the mountain with turning right, turning left was crazy, and if you are like behind the car like me, you're gonna feel a little bit sick. But finally we arrived in our hotel. This is my room, small but cozy. We arrived in a small village close to Canazei, really nice. So we're gonna go to the center, we're gonna have some aperitif, and from tomorrow probably we're gonna do some trekking in the mountain. So see you soon. Faccio uguale. Good morning guys, just wake up. We are going for a really nice trekking in the mountains here. It's gonna be a really nice surprise. Ta-da-da. We need to go there, from there, and then up. Then we arrive there, we need to go there.
Birds are waking me up. I never knew how good they're able to sing. Soft, cool bed and pillow talk, while the sunbeam slowly moves and hit the sheets.
Arriva fino in cima.
Un po' di silenzio per favore.
No.
Alright guys, 2458 meters. We are walking from half an hour already. Pretty steep. We are not even half. We were down there. We need to go on the top over there. The glacier over there. See if we can do it.
Drift
836 meters high. It's pretty hard, guys. The top is just there. There is the bar and the beer is waiting for us. Are you okay? Yes?
Yes.
And we are done. Polipino!
Chiamatemi il camoscio di Bologna.
Il commoscio di Bologna.
The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone.
Not finished yet, guys. We decided to keep going.
My friends are getting stoned. Somewhere on a boat. Though I feel alright, by a drifter's side, strangers on the go. That's all I have to know.
We arrived in the real top. It was really hard. We have like a spritz at 3,000 meters high. Beautiful, beautiful view just around us. I'm gonna take the gondola to go down, and then for today we are done. It was amazing. That's it. So we see tomorrow what we're gonna do, and ciao ciao, guys. We were there. We were there.